Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use before after scan Instagram. So process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So right now it's very trending. So how you can do it? First of all, you have to open your Instagram and log into your account. Then you have to click on the your story, go to the camera. Now from here you have to click on any filter and you will see this type of the screen will pop up. So once you will do it, here you have to click on the browse effect gallery, and on the right top you will see a search bar. Click on it and right here you have to search for the before and the after. Once you will do it, first effect you have to tap on it. Now you can simply save it for future use, or you can simply click on the try it to shoot a video. Now effect is here. You have to click on the add media and select any picture from here. Once you will do it, now you have to shoot a video. So this is the procedure to use before after scan Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.